Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU Solar Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the HAYLOU phone application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the HAYLOU phone application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on Mine icon, and here you will see the list of my devices, and on it there should be your HAYLOU Solar Plus. Tap on it to select it. One thing to mention before we factory reset the watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, so now let's scroll down, find the option called Restore to Factory, and once you find it, add Restore My Reset to Factory. And once you find it, tap on it, then tap on Confirm, and the watch will reset to the factory default settings. And once you see the hello screen or welcome screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. As you can see, it's trying to pair again to my phone because I didn't unpair it from my phone, so I didn't go here and tap on unbind. So if you don't want this to happen after you start resetting your watch, you can basically unpair it and it won't try to connect, but you can also tap on X to skip it and keep it disconnected. Okay, and of course, after you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you unpair, or rather not unpair, my bad, factory reset this watch through the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.